Hey everyone, Shanos here. Welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm doing a quick update to show you how you can add a username to your page. So after a while, after you get some likes and views basically for your page, you're gonna be able to create a username for your page. Basically, a username is going to be your page address. You know, for example, facebook.com/your page. Okay, so this is going to help you to actually share your page easier everywhere, and it's going to help people to remember your page easier. So in order to do that, after a while, after you get some likes, I think it's going to be after 100 likes, you're going to see this option appearing on your Facebook page. So you click on it, and it's just going to ask you to choose a page. Now, choose a URL. Now keep that in mind that you're not going to be able to change this after you create it. Okay, so remember, whatever you choose something that you're not gonna change your mind later on. Okay, so I'm just gonna call this My Golf Madness. Okay, yeah, so let's fix this. There you go. So My Golf Madness is done. Now you click on create username, and it's going to do that. Now if you go to this page, you're gonna see my new URL, facebook.com/mygolfmadness. So this is how you add a username to your page. I'll see you in the next video.